Hey, Looney Bird, somebody pushed a button on that there show selector panel you invented.
Yeah, well, and you said it wasn't user-friendly.
Okay, well, what song did they pick and that we're gonna come out and do?
Well, no, I gotta tear into the machine code first and decipher some of the 386 code and I gotta port it over to my Mac, which has a graphic user interface, and then I'm gonna
Well, Looney Bird, that's gonna take a long time, ain't it?
Well, sure, well, computer programming is not exactly fast, Billy Bob.
Well, folks, we'll be right back as soon as we can to do the show. Looney Bird, now what is this? I thought you could tell me right away what the show was.
Here's a song for all my teachers. I like to play baseball. I like to go swimming. We like to go to movies with pretty women. We like to eat pizza, play Pac-Man too. But we don't like to paint the house, scrub the floor, do you? We like to have lots of fun and sing these songs for you. We like to play records and ride in a limo. We like to go bowling with fine young women. We love Paul McCartney and Disney too. But we don't like to mow the lawn, rake the leaves, do you? We like to have lots of fun and sing these songs for you. We like to turn on with love for this world. We like short dresses when they're on girls. We like to vote yes